Good morning, student. Welcome to e-learning classes. I am Shankar Singh, science teacher. Today I teach you liquid pressure, chapter 11. So, first, previous classes you study the force and area that is pressure equal to force by area. The force acting on a unit area of a surface is called pressure. The force acting on a unit area of a surface is called pressure. Means force that unit area, that is P, pressure, that is force per unit area, that is pressure. Force, that is unit of force F by A, force का unit, force of unit Newton, area of unit meter square. So that SI unit of pressure equal to Newton per meter square, that is say to Pascal. It is denoted by PA. That is Pascal. It is a scalar quantity. So first, it is depend on the force and area. That is pressure. If you every day watching inside the incidents, if a blunt knife cut a potato or any vegetables, that is many more force are applied on the vegetables. Why more force are applied on the vegetables? If a nail has the pointer are these types nail has pointer are pointed, that is wall, and that force is applied on, so it is easily inside the wall. If that area is blunted, means this pointed area now of not pointed, that is the area is increases. In previous, that area is less than, means P is equal to F by A. If area is decreased, then force is increases. So force is increases, then pressure is also increases. So pressure increase, that is force increase, because area is decreases. So more force on the nail, and that is insert in the wall. Similar types when your knife is blunt, means that area is increases. So area is increases, then cut off the vegetables, that is more force are needed. When the area is sharp, your knife area is sharp. You say in common words, say to our knife is very sharp, so cutting easily. Why? That is the reason of less force applied on the that vegetables, that cutting object so easily cut. That is depend on area. That area, so force directly equal to pressure. If area is very sharp, means less area, that is force is increases. If area is increases, then force is decreases. So that is the blunted knife to cut the vegetable, that is large force are applied. When area is so sharp, then area is reduces, then force is more. And similar to if a carry a school bag of any boy, then his strip inside the back shoulder, so area is increases, so pressure is less on the back on the boy. If the strip area is reduced, then more force are applied on the boy, on child, through the bag, a school bag. That is the region of pressure. Inside that term in general life use. Another term I explain you, that is the level of water. When inside the level in the dam, river, in many deep side, then large pressure are exerted because area is increases, area of water is increases, so force is more, so pressure is more. If your contact area, if a swimmer or swims in the water, such types of work or activity, that is swim in flatted type, so his chest side, back side area is increases. Nobody are swim in the less area side because that is less pressure are generated, so sink in the water. So always swim in the water in the large size area are produces, so that area produces to easily to swim. That is the pressure. So pressure SI unit is Newton meter per meter square. It is unit SI unit is given by Pascal in 1971, Bessel's Pascal. So generally say Pascals, that is it is denoted by PA and it is a scalar quantity. Pressure is on a scalar quantity. Magnitude and direction both are here, but that is algebraic sum, so that is pressure is a scalar quantity. Okay, thank you.